Hey, it's nice to have you guys back again today. So today I'm going to be sharing another awesome software that you guys will be shocked. So right now there is so many people who are in lockdown, and there are so many people who are using their social media. Now is the best time to put your brand or any things that you are currently doing, maybe affiliate marketing, on these platforms such as Instagram and TikTok. TikTok is going wild right now. So as entrepreneurs, we must be able to utilize this traffic. So basically this app is actually maximizing the algorithm inside Instagram and TikTok. And it's a very simple app where you can just go using a 3-step process, and you don't require any special experience, and this is all cloud software, so there's no download. So there are lots of people who have been using it, and it's an awesome product. Some of my guys in my team has been using it, and they find it very astonishing, the terms of automation. So basically what is this LinkSeam is basically about. So LinkSeam, your first step, you add the links whichever you want people to choose from. You customize the look, and then you copy paste the link to your Instagram and TikTok. So then the app will start to bring in the traffic. So it will bring in buyers traffic from TikTok and Instagram into the app LinkSeam, and then you'll be able to get followers and subscribers in real time as it comes in, because you have managed, the app has understand the avatars outside, which is all the followers, and the app works closely to match their interest to whatever offer that you are promoting. So it is a free traffic source, which is from Instagram and TikTok. The only thing is that for this automation, there will be charges for the software, right? Because it makes sense for such a developer to develop such a thing. It requires a lot of effort. So I was so excited when they released this on Valentine's Day. This app is dope because you are able to really, um, just by a push of a button, you are able to literally send your offer to all those people who are literally looking for something similar to that. So who is LinkedIn is for? Basically, what uh, who would really benefit from this app? They are affiliate marketers, list builders, product creator, entrepreneur, business owner, service seller, follower builder, those who wants to build a following in Instagram, YouTube channel builder, yes, and advertisers. So if you try to push things they don't want, they will never want it. So that's the aim of LinkSeam, to seamlessly, send the link over to your audience. That is why it's called LinkSeam. So basically that is the problem. So yeah, and LinkSeam also is one of the powerful things that LinkSeam offer, is that because on your TikTok or on your Instagram, you are only allowed to only put one link at a time. If in Instagram you were to put like multiple links, but you have only like one parent link, like linktree.com, you put that one parent link. In that one link tree, there'll be multiple other links. So people won't be able to see the offer directly. They'll still need to go through a few steps in order to see the actual link. So by the time a guy who maybe uh has interest for maybe a manifestation book, but however when he click onto your link tree link, and then goes into your link tree page, and then realize there's so many other links, and then he starts to click the first link, the second link, the third link, and then he realized that he may not need it anymore, or he can find it from another place. So that is the issue when you give your audience a couple of choices. Then they might then decide to hold their purchases, or they decide to go somewhere else to make the purchase. So LinkSeam basically seamlessly send the link over to those audience that are already wanting for such a thing or have a strong interest on such a thing. So then when they click it, they look at it, and then the conversion is pretty high. So yeah, so basically that's about it. So one of the most powerful thing is that you can go all out with LinkSeam. You can promote multiple links and you're able to get higher conversions. Yeah, you can have a smart profiling. You see, these are all the features of LinkSeam. Yeah, customize your background. You're able to do your own logo. You can track your touches, and then you can know where exactly in your Instagram page or TikTok or in your LinkSeam account that is actually attracting attention of your audience. You can use it to easily retarget people, and yeah, you can use for your Facebook retargeting. See, so LinkSeam is designed to enable every visitor to choose what they want by themselves. This is an underground growth hack. So you can grow exponentially without going through all the manual ways of growing your social media, or even tapping on the power of the social media to get traffic. This app don't mess with the Instagram algorithm. I know what has been going on with the Instagram algorithm. It doesn't mess with the Instagram algorithm directly, but however, it sieves through Instagram and it redirects the Instagram algorithm in towards your LinkSeam link, if that makes sense. So basically, it doesn't manipulate your Instagram or your TikTok. What it does is it goes into your Instagram and TikTok, and then it sieves out the people that is there who are continuously putting content relating to your interests, and then they bring these people, and then they put your link in front of them in a way where it will it will look like a native looking content, and then these people will then click into your LinkSeam link and enters into it, and then you will have a high level of conversion. Yeah, so that is how it is. So you are able to get so many out of this traffic. You can be building your email list, you can be selling your own products, selling your own courses, you can be growing your multiple social media accounts. So it's simple. You see, the first step, you add the links you want people to choose from, you customize the look of the link, and then you copy and put it on Instagram and TikTok, and then it will start to produce result. There's customization, way more customization than whatever landing pages or link pages that's available online. There are cool designs out there, and it's a more effective way to sell on social media. Definitely, it is a more effective way. So you can sell your products, make affiliate commission, build your list, build your followers, boost the number of YouTube subscribers, help with YouTube video rankings, help your content go viral. So this is a direct communication between you to the buyer. Yeah, so there is no in between, so that you can reduce the number of rejection with your customers. Alright, so there are a couple of options where LinkSeam allows you. So you can straight away link to your web, or if not, you can send it to Messenger app, or send it to be like a contact. So send it to an email or social network app, or to video. So it is far more flexible as compared to the current landing pages or bridge pages that are available online. Yeah, so whatever that you have been doing outside, you can maximize it even more with LinkSeam, and it is securely hosted. So this is a self-hosted solution, so there is no charges for having it on a monthly basis. It's a one-time cost. So just by this alone, you're already saving up to easily about $60 to $100 a year on hosting services. Yeah, and you can get a custom domain as well from LinkSeam. So it's even wonderful, isn't it? Like, to have a custom domain, it's expensive already. So LinkSeam allows you to have a custom domain and self-hosting uh, solutions as well. So you don't have to pay for hosting for LinkSeam. And LinkSeam, you can use it to be able to integrate your tracking your pixels, Facebook, AdWords, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Bing, Quora, AdRoll. So you can put it there so that when people view your LinkSeam and then they decide to maybe not convert, you can retarget them. So it's fully cloud based. Just put it there, then let it do its thing. And yeah, so LinkSeam is a new software. So the thing is, for at the current moment, it is going at a very cheap price. And in addition to that, thank you for watching this video. In addition to that, you will be getting these few bonuses. You'll be getting a link shortener app absolutely free. You'll be getting an upgrade to LinkSeam 2 Plus, which is absolutely free for all of you that's watching this video. And and on top of everything, there is a 30-day money back guarantee, and no questions will be asked. You just decide. If you think that it's not working out in the first 30 days, then you can just ask for a refund. So there's two sets of LinkSeam plan. One is the LinkSeam Lite, one is the LinkSeam Premium. I personally use the LinkSeam Premium, but if for those of you who just have one Instagram account or just wanted to try this out first, you can go with the LinkSeam Lite. So the price is just $18. It's just a one-time payment. For those who want to do it for more bigger reach, you should go for the premium one, where it's only $24. It's not a very big difference actually. So these are only one-time payment. So this one-time payment, there will be no recurring charges, and you will get access to it for a lifetime. So in addition to that, if within 30 days you don't like it, you can just send an email to support and say that I want my money back. Then within 7 days or 14 days, the support will reply back to you and the money will be refunded to you. No questions asked. So yeah. So yeah, some of the frequently asked questions that maybe I can go through with you right now. So LinkSeam 1 updates are free for the duration. If you order today, yes, just now I was telling you, you'll be getting the free upgrade totally free, and it's completely risk free for the 30 days. If you think LinkSeam is not right for you, just send an email, send us your receipt, and we will refund it to you. And inside, once you have access to it, definitely there is a step-by-step tutorial, and on top of that, we have our support team who will be who will be always be there to assist you if you have any queries. So you can just raise any queries, send any email to them, raise a ticket within the app, and our team will definitely get back to you as soon as possible. And there is no monthly fees. This is just a one-time payment, but then there could be a recurring membership in the future. So this app is only so cheap for limited time or only because we are getting quite a lot of interest in this app. So eventually this app may be on a monthly basis. So if you secure it now, it will just be a one-time payment and that's it. There will not be any more payment. Yeah. So it's just $18 or $24. It's just the price of a good meal over weekend. So but then with such a investment in this app, you're able to seamlessly build branding on your social medias, and you are able to reach out to a lot more with so much more automation. If you go in, you try, and you really go through the step by step training, you will totally understand how this is being done. and how this will really benefit you in your business, affiliate marketing, or even your drop shipping. Yeah. So that's all about LinkSeam. So I hope you guys like this software. So the first link will be the link to give you access to LinkSeam together with all its bonuses. So please do check it out. And the second link is my Discord channel. So you can go into my Discord channel and you can privately message me if you have any questions or if you need help about anything. So till then, take care. Bye.